All right, what's up, everybody? So we're back with the BMW project. I just got off work, going to grab this gas tank, and I went to the gas station maybe about a week ago. It's been raining here in SoCal, so you know, who knew it was gonna rain? Hold on, who knew it was gonna rain all damn week? And anyway, it's kind of annoying. But now going to the back of the car and come to find out, my I got some of this fuel injector cleaner because we got extras from my job because they were getting ready to go bad and restock. So my job said, go ahead and take them. So anyway, we'll dump some of that in there. I actually run that injector cleaner on all my cars, even my daily, just to keep stuff clean. I don't do it every tank, but I do it at least maybe 15,000 miles. So, but anyway, back to my point. The fuel lid apparently is rusted its way shut. So we're gonna pry this bad boy open, dump a tank of gas in it. Well, at least maybe a quarter of a tank of gas in it. See if I can get this bad boy started. Mix it with some of that old gas because I got to get it out this spot. It's been sitting in this spot for literally 10 years, maybe. I think maybe at one point it was over there where my uncle's truck is. This is my Ranger. It's actually my pop's old truck, and I put new tires on it a couple years ago, and as you can see, I just wasted my money. My nephew wanted to drive it, and then right when I was finishing up, he's like, nah, I'm cool, Unc. I don't want it. So I left it. I got some extra T-tops on my Z in there. Anybody looking for the T-tops, I got you. But I'm gonna eventually get this bad boy on the road too. It literally needs a windshield, bleed the brakes, oil change, fluids, battery, and an exhaust on it. Put a brand new gas tank in it, new fuel pump, all that good stuff. New brake booster, brand new tires, repainted the wheels because I wanted to look cool. But anyway, back to this project. So we're gonna get this thing open. That thing stinks so bad, but let's see if we can pop this open. I don't know what else is on here. Is there an actuator in there? Maybe there is. Yeah, well, I'm not worried about it. Oh, it looks like there is an actuator in there. Yeah. So let me try to do it the right way.
Action.
Oh God. All right, so I'm gonna hopefully this is going in the tank and not leaking like it is all over my hand.
Oh. Pour faster, dude.
Yeah. I think the neck's broken. It has a crack in it.
What neck?
In the tank.
Oh, why you say that?
Gas can. It's still dripping out.
Well, you're doing a good job. That noise did make you have to want to go pee?
I hope there's no leak in the tank.
Oh.
Because if there's a leak in the tank, this California gas, it's $30 that just went on the ground.
Well, you daddy big bucks.
I'm not. I'm poor.
Don't put that out to the universe.
But, we're not giving up, so we're going to keep at it. All right, well, I'm going to finish pouring this. I'll catch up with y'all in a minute. The reason I put gas in it was to test to see if the injectors are going to be working and the fuel pump's working. I ain't turned it on. You got power? Yeah, I don't hear the fuel pump priming, but go ahead. You may got to turn the wheel a little bit. There you go. Keep going. Hold on. Let me get some starter fluid. Alright. No, I'm okay. It may take a minute. Alright, whenever you're ready, I'll start cranking it again. Alright. Alright. We idling. Running on its own power, baby. Alright, so that means the injectors are working. The fuel pump's working. We just got bad gas. 10-year-old gas. I put maybe 5 gallons of gas in it. I know we need to do an oil change and do all the fluids, but we're gonna get this bad gas through here. Yeah, go ahead and fire it up. Oh shit. Doesn't sound too good, you know, with that knock, but that's from the starter fluid. We'll get her going on our own here in a minute.